हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब। आई एम प्रवीण। वेलकम बैक टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं एसएससी सीएचएसएल का सेक्शनल टेस्ट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So the first question is the soldiers were selected on the section of gallantry of spirits. We have to find the error. The soldiers were selected, ये तो सही है, on the section of gallantry of spirits. Turn the following active voice into passive voice. The contractor will complete the construction work by next month. The injury was so severe that he could not play again. So we have to find the antonym of severe. Severe means होता है गंभीर, and tolerant. Forbidden means होता है माफ करना. Forbid means होता है मना करना, और allowed means होता है उसको अनुमति देना. A general who was standing by the guns shouted some words of command to the officer, and the later ran back again with his band. A general who was standing by the guns shouted some words of command to the officer, and the later ran back again with his man. The actor has to shoot the scene 3 times. The actor has to shoot. Select the correctly spelled word. Let us assume, think. The road to Taj Mahal. An omission of duty. Delinquency. The whys and wherefores. Whys and wherefores. Reasons. A new neighbors are delightful. Differently. More than 40% of the world's population lives in regions where water has becoming increasingly scarce. Has becoming. We will use short form here. Tolerance, appropriate synonym of tolerance. Endurance. I can't think, I cannot begin to talk on the situation right now. I'm still wrapping my head around it. He was a complete strange, complete strange to me. The cat's entry into the storeroom was quiet. He said, "You are making excuses." He said that I had been making excuses. Unpleasantly rough or sharp, especially to the sensual cruel. unpleasantly rough or sharp, harsh to the senses, cruel. I think it will be Hazlitt or something like that. I'm not sure about this, but the middle sun was the reason which looked. A local meteorological center explained that reflection is caused by sunshine high in the sky and light passing through snow crystal in the air. Okay, it'll either A or a rare celestial phenomena appeared in Mongolia. Rare phenomena appeared हुई. It looked like there was three suns. Middle sun, okay. There is a tedious sense of freedom. Tedious sense of freedom, being alone in the carriage jointly. It is liberty unrestrained in a very agreeable form. You can do anything you like. You can talk to yourself. You can have argument with Jones and roll him triumphantly in the dust without fear for a counter stroke. You can stand on your head and no one will see you. You can sing or dance in a two-step or practice a golf stroke or play marbles on the floor. You can do anything. Joint, jointing noisily through the it is liberty unrestrained in a very agreeable form. Detestable, no, agreeable form. We will check it out once again. The soldiers were selected on the section. The soldiers were selected on the section of gallantry of spirits. The soldiers were selected on the section of gallantry of spirits. I think of gallantry of spirits. तो ये तो एक sort of idiom तरीके का ना sort of एक word. तो on the section ही गलत हो सकता है. The construction will be completed by the ये तो सही है. The injury was so severe that he could not play again. The injury was so pungent, tolerant. Forbidden means होता है माफ करना, मना करना. Antonym, we have to find this all out. A general who was standing by the guns shouted some words of command to the officer and the later ran back again with his men. एक जनरल जो गन्स के साथ खड़ा था shouted some words of command to the officer. उसने कुछ कमांड किया ऑफिसर को एंड द लेटर ran back again with his man. Again with his man क्यों होता है? The actors to suit. The actors has to suit. The actors had to suit. Because has तो फिर सिंगल फॉर्म आ जाएगी, had to आएगा. Correctly spelled word. Ingenious. 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 यही सही होगा. Let us assume. Let us think. The road to Taj Mahal passes through a forest. An omission of duty. Delinquency. Surrender, no. Deliberation. Delineation. I think delinquency. The whys and wherefores. Whys. Circumstances. References, no. Reasons होंगे. Our new neighbors are delightful. Differently. Delightful. More than 40% of the world's population lives where water has becoming tolerance. The synonyms होगा endurance. I can't think. I can begin to talk on the situation right now. I'm still wrapping my head around it. I'm still trying to comprehend it. The complicated matter, something which is very complicated to understand. He was a complete stranger to me. The cat's entry into the storeroom was quite, quite. क्वाइट तो फिर छोड़ना होता है, क्यूट नहीं होगी. क्वाइट क्वाइट. He said you were making excuses. He said that I had been making excuses. You were making excuses. Unpleasantly rough or harsh, especially to the senses cruel. I'm not sure about it, but I think Hazlitt will be the answer. और has ये क्वेश्चन गलत हो सकता है. मिडिल सन नो, इसका तो यही सही होगा. इसका भी ओके. चलो लेट्स सबमिट द टेस्ट और चेक करते हैं कि हमारे कितने नंबर आए हैं. अभी पास द कट ऑफ और नॉट. I'm hoping कि कट ऑफ पास हो गई. या वी हैव पास्ड, certainly have passed the cut off. और हमारी 445 रैंक आई है 4834 में से. लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशंस एंड सी की कितने क्वेश्चंस हमने गलत किए हैं. 42.5 आउट ऑफ 50. तो 3 क्वेश्चंस गलत हुए हैं. इंजीनियस, दिस वन इज राइट. आई एम पहले मैं मुझे पहले ही लग रहा था इसमें हार्स होगा. अगर हार्स है तो फिर दिस इज नॉट गुड. ये क्वेश्चन सिली मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं. एंड देयर इज अ tedious sense of freedom. Baleful, pleasant about being alone and carries. Baleful, pleasant sense of freedom. Okay, so 3 क्वेश्चन हमने गलत किए हैं 25 में से और वी हैव स्कोर्ड 42.5. तो दीज वर द सिली मिस्टेक्स जो हमें वी वर इन कंफ्यूजन कि ये कौन सा चूज करें कौन सा ना चूज करें. तो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. और आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक हैव अ गुड डे. बाय बाय.